Hi everyone. Today, millions of students are displaced by war, conflict, and crisis. For many, education is the first thing lost and the last thing restored. But education is not a luxury, it's a lifeline. At University of the People, we work very hard to make sure those students are not forgotten. Whether it's refugees from Syria, Ukraine, or Gaza, we open doors to learning that remains open no matter where they are in the world. Education gives people more than knowledge, it gives them dignity and hope. And that hope, even in the darkest times, can light the way to a better future. Our recent partnership with UNHCR is a manifestation of our commitment to refugees wherever they are, to help them move up from the situation they are in. If you support what we're doing, please like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.